Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner, low-mileage 2017 Chrysler 300 Series S Sedan. With just over 7,000 miles on the clock and the remainder of its factory warranty, this HEMI 5.7-litre V8 is big, bold, brash and loaded with luxurious extras. This imposing sedan is comfortable, quiet, powerful and lavishly equipped. If you are looking for street appeal, a rumbling V8 and a prerequisite dose of practicality thrown into the mix, then this 300 should be a top contender on your list. The list of additional options is extensive, but notably include Bluetooth, backup camera, 300S Premium Group Package, blind spot and cross-path detection sensors, navigation, power backlight sunshade, 10-speaker Beats audio sound system and premium wheels. To see the full list of specifications on this model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We encourage you to rush on over and experience the smooth but powerful driving dynamics for yourself. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.